Guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ana Rabbina bin Sa'id wa ala wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina wa Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. Respectable Dr. Madina Magan, Dr. Hayratul Jawa Dr. Take care of Lara Mahibida, respectable to all of my stars, respectable to my parents and my beloved family. Today we'll lecture about spices. Spices are part of plants such as roots, stems, leaves, fruit, or seed that have a strong aroma and flavor. Spices are usually used in small amount to give food a distinctive flavor and aroma. In addition, many species also have health benefits as they contain various active compounds. A unique things about species, long history. The species have been an important commodities in ancient times. The space routes that connected Asia with Europe fueled for exploration and diversity. Indonesia is known as a space paradise with dozens of species growing in various regions. Each region has distinctive species with unique flavors, health benefits. Many species have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. Some of them are used in traditional and modern medicine. Example of popular Indonesian species: pepper, the king of species that is widely used in various cuisines. Cloves, native to Moluccas, used in pastures and specialty dishes. Nutmeg, native to the Moluccas, often used in sweet dishes and cakes. Cinnamon, native to Sumatra, used in drink and cooking. Turmeric, often also is Asian cuisine, it also has health benefit. Ginger, properly used in hot drink and cooking. And the lemon, a Batak species that gives a unique flavor sensation like a mixture of lime and pepper. Okay, that's enough. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.